Following my series of Toyota Yaris Cross and hybrid EV videos, I was contemplating doing a series on personal drones and drone vlogging, etc, etc. So let me know what you think. I had some questions about this DJI Neo, which I picked up for a song, which is an intriguing little gadget. And one of the main questions was, how far can you go under direct phone control? In other words, let's say you don't need all the fancy drone controllers, hundreds of pounds worth of investment and extra things to charge up and to carry around and stick out your pockets. What if you just had this pocket-sized drone and your phone, which you've got with you anyway? Let the phone be the controller. What's the range? How far can you actually go? What are the limits? So with that in mind, as a first video in this series, I headed out and I did a basic range test in a rather gloomy UK winter park. So this is a range test in perfect conditions, more or less. DJI Neo.
Take off.
Take off. This is purely under phone control, so this is the limit of the phone's built-in Wi-Fi, tracking across the ground. About 25 meters at the moment. We'll stop there and go up. Let's take it up to about 4 or 5 meters, which would be typical of an actual filming job. I would say that's about 5 meters up. And now we'll go forward. The Wi-Fi symbol is showing fairly low on the phone screen interface, now at about 30 meters, 35 meters. Still going, still under control. We'll stop and check that control is still there. Let's rotate right a bit. We still have control. And forwards again. I can just about see it. This is still under the phone's Wi-Fi, which is pretty impressive.
Max flight distance reached.
There you are, you heard that. Max flight distance reached. Wi-Fi symbol is showing the bottom of its range. Have I still got control? I have still got control. I can rotate it left and right. Let's move it back towards to face me. Let's fly back here. I would estimate that's around about 35, 40, 45 meters. But I'm not going to pace it out because the ground's really muddy and boggy. So just enjoy the fly back. Still under full control, and I'll angle the gimbal down a bit. Let's try and zoom in. It's not the fastest drone in the world, but for what I paid, 120 quid, I think this is a lot of geeky fun. A lot of geeky fun. There we go. There we are. So yes, we'll look around. This is about DJI's claim of about 50 meters for the Wi-Fi control from the phone is probably about right. But of course that's perfect conditions, not taking into account any kind of obstacles or other considerations. And it also depends on exactly how you hold the phone. As I rotate the phone round, or certainly put it behind me or turn my body, then the signal will decrease markedly. So I'm kind of holding the phone up, partly for the voice recording and partly for optimum control. All in all then, I was pretty darn impressed. By the way, you can of course control this drone, and the whole point of the Neo in particular is that you use the built-in modes here and follow, zoom, spotlight, and so forth. I'll do extra tests and extra demonstrations with these in due course if there's enough interest. So yes, you can control and shoot yourself from the drone itself in full AI auto mode, or you can control it from your phone using a pretty intuitive full screen interface now with the latest firmware updates. This is the DJI Neo, and I'm really impressed. I wonder if I'll shoot more videos on it. So this is an interesting new way of perhaps doing video vlogging without a second person to help me, without a camera person. I can use a drone to perhaps shoot me walking along in front of interesting subjects, talking about the world of technology, the world around me. Now, the noise cancellation in the software, in theory, should cancel out the drone, the prop noise, but I suspect there's a bit of artificiality a bit of distortion in the audio, not quite my normal crystal clear audio. Stability seems pretty good. There's about a 10-mile-an-hour breeze up high, about 5 mile an hour down here, and the drone is going pretty flat. Let's see how this turns out. Maybe I could use this in one of my future videos.